taking chances. Time to avancer. Oh no, boy, don't say. Mes amis, can't control my body. If you think you can go with me, baby, turn up this heat. Yeah, bye. Water, now some water on me to release this pressure, baby. Water, now some water on me to release this pressure, baby.
Hi everyone, it is an absolutely splendid day for football and we're looking forward to the game. My name is Derek Ray and I'm joined for commentary by Lee Dixon. And getting ready for what should be potentially thrilling action here. Every reason to believe this will be exciting, Lee.
Well, thank you, Derek. The excitement at the start of any game is almost tangible. Looking forward to this one. The crowd are up for it. The players look like they're going to have a really good go at this game. Can't wait.
Cuts it back. Good tackle. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. A real struggle to contain him. And now, passing it through. Oh, big opportunity. Can they stop it going in? And this situation could be dangerous. Little. Austin. And possession given away. And they are on the move again. Giving it a try. Well, wide by a hair's breadth. Almost had it where he wanted it. Now can they create something? Just couldn't capitalise there. Firing it towards goal. And there it is! The opening goal, the ideal way to start.
Well, as we can see here, the defenders think they've got him under huge amounts of pressure, holds everybody off and still puts the ball in the back of the net.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Beautifully timed. And he did well to cut it out. No, high-quality defending. Oh, showing excellent vision. And the flag does go up. Must have been close. And room now out on the flank. And players waiting in the centre. And you need your defender to take charge. He continues his run. He's got to score! He's gone and found the net! Brilliant piece of finishing! Magnificent goal!
Well, here's the replay, and it's a lovely ball into the box. And then just look at the finish. Reads the flight perfectly and absolutely smashes it beyond the keeper. There's just no stopping that.
Aguero. And a chance to whip it in here. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. Masterful piece of foiling. Can he take the chance? And he opted for subtlety with the chip just over.
Well, I wouldn't take the chip on, but he did. He's a bit unlucky, to be honest with you, Derek.
Good bit of pressing. Well, the referee wasn't going to let that go. Ainsworth. Hummels. Walcott. Determined defending.
The hosts really haven't had too much of the ball, but when they've had the ball, they keep delivering the sucker punch. A great advert for low possession, counter-attacking football. It's really working.
Breaking at pace. And he might profit here. And a goal! Wonderful stuff as they accelerate away from the opposition. Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. Abbott. 𝙁𝙚𝙤𝙧𝙚𝙚. And he takes on the shot. And putting his body on the line. Aguero. Walcott. Oh, nicely cut out. And that puts them in position. Oh, surely. Couldn't quite hang on. The high press was on, and the chance is on. Oh, tremendous block. Blocked again. Now can they counter clinically? Oh, what an opportunity. Surely. An impressive break, but not the finish.
Yeah, poor finishing, but a devastating break to set up the chance in the first place.
Osman. An attack full of promise. And that's sound goalkeeping. So a corner here. And played short. Abbott. Pretty straightforward defending, dealing with that cross. That is that for the first half here. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. Harper. Strong play here. Sam. Walcott. Moving the ball effectively. Can he finish? And in! Oh yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal. No shortage of goals in this match. 3-1. Really a very poor ball. Aguero. Sam. Good visualisation and execution. Accurate ball in towards the near post. Well, he had a decent reading of that ball in. Harper. Well, options at the back post here. And you need your defender to take charge. He's lost it. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Well, racing past his man. Harper. Well, high quality defending. Ferry, and winning it back.
The visitors have totally controlled possession. However, after that, the coach will be disappointed with what they produced. They need to be a little bit more clinical in front of goal.
And threading it forward. That's all they can conjure for now. Sam. Beautifully disguised ball. And mistimed the run, sadly. That's offside. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Defensive efficiency personified. It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Let's fly here! Oh my goodness! What an outrageous hit! I can't believe he took it on from there, and neither can the goalkeeper.
Well, just look at this. The keeper wasn't expecting it. Certainly wasn't. He was flat-footed and it's gone in. What a strike, though.
Goals in plentiful supply. 4-1 currently. And the referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. They've regained possession. They're not giving him any breathing room. Promising attack, this. Good-looking ball. Not to be in terms of the cross there. Goal kick coming up. Looking confident with the ball at his feet. But he stopped them just when they looked menacing. Jones. A chance to whip it in. Well, quite simply, the cross was too close to the keeper. So 20 minutes to go. 𝙁𝙚𝙬𝙧𝙚. Oh, that's a pass of high quality. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now. Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Well, they've given him too much space. Lost possession. Well, attacking possibilities. There's a slide rule pass. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans. Well, they need to get tighter. Osman. Can they get in behind them? And a goal kick given. Parkin. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? Crossing opportunity. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. That's how to rob them of possession. Well, the pass not finding its target. Well, that's not textbook defending. Has someone to play it to. And a strong glove on the ball from the keeper. A chance for them to provide a test in the form of a corner. Over it comes. Giving the ball away. Looks promising, this. And he's keen on cutting in. And there to intervene. Well, taking into account all the stoppages, 2 minutes to be added on. And he cuts in from the wing. And there the attack ends for now. And there goes the final whistle, and the home fans are going to be...